What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are creating this super simple minimalist makeup look. This is probably my favorite minimal makeup look I have done. Using the brand Merit Beauty, I picked up some new to me products. Some products from them from Sephora. I have used Merit Beauty in the past before and fallen in love with this minimalist brand that is all about beauty products that are clean for the environment, body, and skin. These are products that are so easy to work with and just blend so beautifully on the skin. It's kind of like you can't see where your skin ends and where the makeup begins. So I am loving how my makeup came out. This is exactly what I'm looking for in the mornings when I have to get ready to go to work and I just want something light on the skin, but just makes me feel a little bit more enhanced, a little bit more color on the face, kind of cover up any blemishes or my problematic dark areas on the inner corners of my eyes. So if you guys would like to see how I created this super simple makeup look using some Merit Beauty products, I picked up the Minimalist as well as the Bronzing Balm, and we're going to use the Solo Shadow and their signature lip as well. Then just keep watching. I will also link my affiliate code in the description box if you guys would like to shop any of the Merit Beauty products. I did see quite a few sales on the kind of packages that they create with their products, so some good deals going on right now. And with every first purchase from Merit Beauty, you do receive their signature bag. It's really cute. Can easily put your makeup in, and it's great for travel as well as free shipping when you spend over $40. So that is also another great thing. So yeah, now that I let you guys know that, let's get into the makeup look. I'm all about the clean girl aesthetic, makeup, no makeup looks, the effortlessly chic makeup looks that you can create with Merit Beauty, the brand that is about clean makeup, minimalist makeup, easy to use makeup, foolproof makeup. That is what we're gonna try out today. I have tried out products from Merit before. We have collaborated together on videos. I adore the Solo Shadow and their lipsticks, their signature matte lipsticks, and I wanted to try out some more products from them. So I picked up the Minimalist, which is the Perfecting Complexion Stick. So you're gonna be placing this kind of where you need a little bit of coverage and then buffing it out to make it kind of look like your skin has blended into the makeup. So it's not a foundation or concealer, it's both. Use it only where you need it so it complements your skin, and it's your skin, not your makeup. So we are going to try this out, swipe it onto skin where you want coverage, and buff it out with a brush so you can't tell what's you and what is makeup. I picked this up in the shade Ecru, I think that's how you say it. This has a peachy undertone, so what my thoughts were where I have this darkness under my eyes and just the cool, because I have some cool tones on my skin, I thought, why not neutralize that with more of a peachy tone rather than getting something that is a cool tone and just looking more drab, if that makes sense. I don't know, that made sense to me. So I was testing these out at Sephora and they felt so creamy. So you have the one side like this. I don't know if the other side just is to kind of crank it up. Okay, I won't play around with that. So yeah, this is how it comes in this nice packaging, as a Merit always does. And what I'm going to do is, am I going to go from brush to face, or should I just apply to my face? It felt really emollient and like it had a lot of coverage, so maybe I'll just kind of go brush to face first just to try this out. And I'm just going to start building it around my eyes. see, look how dark that inner corner is. And it's already kind of, let's try with the finger. Let's see. Or if I should just go straight to the face. This is actually the perfect match, I think, for my skin. I think I'm gonna go just like that. We'll just apply it and just buff it out. This is literally like the perfect match to the color of my skin and then to neutralize these cool tones. I love a dual product. I don't really wear foundation anymore, so this is kind of like the perfect thing for a little bit of coverage, like in the concealer department, but then you can kind of just blend it out. Let's see, let's just add a little more. It feels very creamy on the skin. And that's kind of where I would want. Coverage is more in the center of my face just to add brightness. I am actually very impressed with the color match. I was nervous. I was like, is this gonna look way too warm? But that looks really beautiful. Super light. It neutralized the dark area on the inner part of my eye. It's blending out really, really pretty. Secondly, I picked up the Bronze Balm. So I am a sucker for bronze, contour, all of that, especially cream products. And this is a sheer bronzer. So it's like, I like the sounds of that. I am loving my Tower 28. So I wanted something kind of like glossy, not glossy on the skin, it's a bronzer, but hydrating bronzer that wasn't so deep and dark. So this one is a sheer buildable bronzer that delivers a wash of natural warmth and depth. Sounds perfect. So let's give it a try. To use for warmth, swipe where the sun naturally hits. To sculpt, swipe under the low points of the face. Blend with brush number 1 or your fingertips. All right. So this could be used as a bronzer on the high points of the face, or we can try to contour with it. Again, the packaging from Merit Beauty is absolutely beautiful. This is in the shade Scene, I think that's how you say it. It's not CN, maybe it's CN, I don't know. Got some different names with these products, but the products themselves are absolutely beautiful. This was kind of like the third bronzer, like right in the middle. That's kind of where I get, look at that shine, where I like to start testing. I was kind of like, I'm near the, for tones and shades, near the middle of the pack a little bit. All right, let's see. Like this feels very glossy compared to the Makeup by Mario. This is just a lot glossier and a lot more emollient too. That is really pretty. Like how quickly could you just do your makeup? It's just like swipe, 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 swipe. Definitely something easy to use for the summertime as well. And yeah, oh my goodness. It's just giving that like hydrated glow. And because the products are like they have enough saturation in them and pigment, you don't need a lot. But you can keep building if you want to. That is really pretty. swipe it. Try sculpting if you want. Oh yeah. I love the shade that it comes in, or not the shade, the shape. Makes it so easy to sculpt or just swipe on the cheekbones. All right, for our eyes, let's go into the Solo shadow. I have this in the shade Vachetta, this beautiful taupey bronze color that is like the perfect crease color and just perfect transition color, or just like obviously Solo shadow. So I'm gonna go in with brush number 2 from Merit. You got the dual ends for fluffiness and then precision, and I'm just going to place that up on top of the brow bone. And I really like to shape right under my brow when I'm using the bronzy tones. You can just kind of fluff that onto the lid as well. Now with my lips, I just line them with my Legendary lip gloss or lip liner from Essence. And then I'm going to go in with the shade Classic from my Signature Matte Lips lipstick from Merit Beauty. I applied a little bit of Vaseline to my lips just to give me a little bit more glossiness. Now I'm going to just go in with my finger and just pat a little bit just to add a little bit of pigment more in the center of my lips. And that just adds a nice healthy color to the lips, very natural and very like nearly nude. Do you have lipstick on? Do you not? Well, obviously it looks like I have lipstick on, but it's so close to my natural that it just gives the total clean girl vibe. So I just popped on a little bit of mascara to finish the look. This is such an easy makeup line and makeup products to work with. I definitely want to get another few of their products. There was some more that I was looking at, like some highlighting balms and cheek and lip balm to just do these easy 5-minute makeup routines in the morning. I will definitely be reaching for these products in the morning now because this is kind of like what I'm looking for in a product. I just want to quickly apply with my hands if I can, add a little bit of coverage, add some color, and make it look like you are barely wearing makeup at all, just fresh and ready for the day. So I will link the my affiliate code in the description box if you guys would like to shop any of the Merit Beauty products. I did see a lot of sales going on with full sets that they had, so that would be a great Mother's Day gift as well if you were looking for something to buy your mom or yourself for Mother's Day. We got to treat ourselves as moms. But yeah, definitely check out Merit Beauty and see if there's any products that you want to shop. Any of the products today that I tried out that you want to shop, I absolutely love them and I think that you will as well. So thank you guys so much for being here. Thank you for watching and I will see you guys again soon.